MCN stands for Multi-Channel Network. It is a type of organization or company that works with content creators on online platforms, particularly YouTube. MCNs provide various services and resources to content creators, including channel management, audience development, monetization support, and rights management. Here are some key aspects of MCNs. 1. Channel management. MCNs assist content creators in managing their YouTube channels. They may provide guidance on content strategy, optimization techniques, and audience engagement strategies. 2. Audience development. MCNs help content creators grow their audience by offering marketing support, cross-promotion, and collaboration opportunities with other creators within the network. They may also provide access to audience analytics and insights to help creators understand their viewers better. 3. Monetization support. MCNs help content creators monetize their YouTube channels by managing advertising revenue, sponsorships, and brand partnerships. They can negotiate better ad rates and secure brand deals on behalf of the creators. MCNs may also offer access to additional monetization options like merchandise sales, crowdfunding, or premium content. 4. Rights management. MCNs assist content creators in managing copyright claims and protecting their intellectual property. They can help handle issues related to content ID matching, licensing, and dispute resolution. 5. Resources and support. MCNs offer resources, tools, and support to content creators, such as access to professional-grade equipment, production facilities, editing software, and training programs. They may also provide legal and business support to help creators navigate contracts, rights issues, and other challenges. It's important to note that the MCN landscape has evolved over time, and the role and influence of MCNs have changed. Content creators now have more options and flexibility in managing their channels and monetization directly through YouTube's own features and programs. As a result, some creators have chosen to work independently without affiliating with an MCN. When considering partnering with an MCN, it's crucial to carefully review their terms, contracts, and the specific services they offer. It's advisable to research multiple MCNs, compare their offerings, and assess whether their services align with your goals and needs as a content creator. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.